Have you ever looked up at the vast, dark canvas of the night sky? Have you seen that faint, shimmering band of light stretching from one horizon to the other? For millennia, humanity has gazed upon this sight with wonder, crafting stories and myths to explain its ethereal beauty. The ancient Greeks called it the Galaxias Kyklos. The Romans named it the Via Lactea, the Milky Way. Today, we know this celestial river is not just a collection of distant lights. It is our home. Every single star your naked eye can perceive, every constellation we have ever named, belongs to our own immense cosmic city, the Milky Way galaxy. It is a place of staggering scale and breathtaking complexity, a swirling metropolis of stars, gas, dust. This is not just a story about distant astronomical objects. This is the story of our origins, our place in the universe, and our ultimate destiny. The Milky Way is a dynamic and living system held together by the invisible force of gravity. It contains hundreds of billions of stars, possibly trillions of planets, vast, swirling clouds of interstellar gas, and an enormous halo of mysterious dark matter. At its very heart, a monster lurks in the darkness, a supermassive black hole whose gravitational pull orchestrates the dance of countless suns. Understanding this galaxy is to understand the grand stage upon which the story of our planet, our solar system, and our very existence unfolds. In the next 13 minutes, we will embark on a journey that promises to change your perspective forever. To truly appreciate our galaxy, we must first understand its layout. Our journey will begin by mapping out the Milky Way's magnificent structure. We'll see it's a barred spiral galaxy. From this bar, majestic spiral arms unfurl, glittering with the light of young, hot stars, glowing with the vibrant colors of star-forming nebulae. We'll explore each component in detail. The thin, bustling galactic disk where we reside, the dense, ancient stellar population of the central bulge, the vast, spherical halo that encompasses it all. At the very center, Sagittarius A, our supermassive black hole. With our map, we journey back billions of years to the galaxy's birth. Shortly after the Big Bang, vast, cooling clouds of hydrogen and helium. Gravity pulls them together, igniting the first generation of stars. Those primordial giants lived fast and died young, supernovae. Their explosions enriched the cosmos with heavier elements, the stuff of planets and people. Smaller galaxies collided and merged over eons, building the grand spiral we see today. Now, the inhabitants, up to 400 billion stars. Not all stars are equal. We'll visit stellar graveyards, collapsed remnants drifting through space. What of planets? Planets likely outnumber stars, trillions of worlds. Finally, we confront our place in the future. Earth's location, the Orion Arm, a quiet suburb. We reflect on the Fermi paradox. If planets are everywhere, where is everybody? Look ahead 4.5 billion years to a collision with Andromeda. That cosmic merger will change our night sky forever. This is the story of the Milky Way, and it is our story. At its most fundamental level, our galaxy is a colossal, self-contained system of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter, all bound together by the relentless force of gravity. The specific type of galaxy we inhabit is known as a barred spiral galaxy. Imagine a celestial pinwheel spinning slowly in the cosmic void, and you have a basic picture of our home. The main star-filled disk of the Milky Way measures roughly 100,000 light-years from one edge to the other. To traverse our galaxy, a beam of light, the fastest thing in the universe, would need 100,000 years to complete the journey. Current estimates suggest there are anywhere from 100 billion to 400 billion stars within the Milky Way. When you look up at the night sky and see that hazy, luminous band of light, you are looking directly into the plane of our galaxy's disk. but the combined light of billions upon billions of distant stars, their individual pinpricks of light blurring together into a single, continuous stream. It is a humbling reminder that we are not looking out at the universe, but rather from within it. The most prominent feature of our galaxy is the galactic disk. This disk is incredibly thin relative to its diameter. Much like a vinyl record, the entire disk rotates. But not like a solid object. Stars closer to the center complete their orbits much faster than those farther out. Unfurling from the central bar are the magnificent spiral arms. Our solar system is located in a smaller partial arm, or spur, called the Orion Cygnus arm. These arms are the primary sites of ongoing star formation. They are rich in cold molecular gas and interstellar dust. Our Sun, along with the rest of the solar system, is carried along in this grand cosmic dance, orbiting the galactic center at a staggering speed of about 230 kilometers per second. The last time our solar system was in this position, dinosaurs were just beginning to roam the Earth. The material within the disk is continuously recycled. It is this perpetual cycle of birth, death, and rebirth that has allowed complex chemistry and ultimately life itself to arise within the galactic disk. At the very center of the Milky Way's spinning disk lies the galactic bulge. It is a far more chaotic and crowded environment than our relatively quiet neighborhood. The stars here are, on average, much older than those in the disk, predominantly ancient red and yellow stars that formed early in the galaxy's history. Instead of following neat, circular orbits within the galactic plane like the Sun, they travel on highly elongated and randomly tilted orbits. Observing the galactic bulge from Earth is notoriously difficult. Our view is heavily obscured by thick clouds of interstellar dust. To peer into this hidden region, astronomers must use other forms of light, such as infrared, X-rays, and radio waves, which can penetrate the obscuring dust. This object is a supermassive black hole, formerly known as Sagittarius A star, a cosmic heavyweight with a mass equivalent to more than 4 million times that of our Sun. We cannot see Sagittarius A star directly. However, astronomers have spent decades tracking the orbits of stars very close to the galactic center, providing undeniable proof of the black hole's existence. As gas and dust are drawn in by its immense gravity, they form a swirling, superheated structure called an accretion disk, causing it to glow fiercely. Occasionally, a hapless gas cloud or star ventures too close and is torn apart by the black hole's tidal forces, causing a dramatic flare-up in brightness as the material is consumed. Surrounding the entire visible structure of the Milky Way is a vast, spherical, and mostly invisible component known as the galactic halo. The most prominent visible objects within the halo are the globular clusters. Around 150 of these beautiful clusters have been discovered orbiting the Milky Way. The vast majority of the halo is composed of something we cannot see at all: dark matter. It accounts for an astonishing 90% of our galaxy's total mass. The motions of stars in the outer parts of our galaxy are far too fast to be explained by the gravity of the visible matter alone. There must be an enormous unseen halo of mass providing the extra gravitational glue. This dark matter halo is the true foundation of the Milky Way, its invisible scaffolding. Understanding it is key to unlocking a deeper understanding of the fundamental structure of the entire universe. Where exactly is our home, planet Earth, located? We are situated about halfway out from the galactic center, roughly 27,000 light-years away. More specifically, we live within a minor spiral arm, a spur called the Orion Cygnus arm. Our position within the galaxy is incredibly fortunate for the development of life. This galactic habitable zone may be crucial in the search for life elsewhere. Let's put our cosmic address in perspective. We are closing in on a very particular, rather average yellow dwarf star. This star is our Sun, and then, finally, our own home. This tiny, fragile planet is our home, our only home in the vastness of the cosmos. Statistical analysis suggests at least one planet per star in the Milky Way. That means hundreds of billions, perhaps even trillions of worlds. If the galaxy should be teeming with intelligent civilizations, where is everybody? This is the Fermi paradox, the great silence. For decades we've been listening. Massive radio telescopes pointed at the heavens, scanning for beacons, for messages. So far, an unbroken, profound silence. Our radio dishes pick up only cosmic crackle and hiss. Perhaps life is incredibly rare. Perhaps civilizations are self-destructive. Or we could be the first. If true, the hopes of the galaxy could rest on humanity. Our galaxy is on a direct collision course with our largest neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. Andromeda is hurtling toward us at over 100 kilometers per second. This is not a matter of if, but when. In about 4.5 billion years, these two colossal star systems will meet in a cosmic embrace that will reshape our galactic destiny. Direct star-on-star collisions will be exceedingly rare. Instead, the galaxies will pass through each other like ghosts, their paths altered only by the combined pull of gravity. From future Earth's view, the spectacle will be breathtaking. Over millions of years, Andromeda will grow larger in our sky, eventually filling a huge portion of our view. The merging systems will be distorted by immense tidal forces. Great streams of stars and gas will be pulled out, forming long, luminous tails. The merger will also trigger a spectacular burst of star formation, igniting a galactic-scale starburst. When the dust settles, the result will be a completely new type of galaxy. In their place will be a single, enormous elliptical galaxy, sometimes nicknamed Milky. It will be a red and dead galaxy, dominated by older, redder stars, with very little gas or new star formation. And what of our Sun and Earth? By the time this merger happens, our Sun will be nearing the end of its life, having already swelled into a red giant that may have engulfed the inner planets. The solar system will almost certainly be flung into a new, completely different orbit within the larger Milky galaxy. Our cosmic address will be rewritten. This leaves us with a profound perspective. It shows how small we are. A fleeting consciousness on a tiny planet, orbiting one of 400 billion suns. But it shows how connected we are. The iron in our blood, the calcium in our bones, the oxygen we breathe, forged in the hearts of stars, scattered by supernovae across the galaxy. We are stardust, children of the Milky Way. Look up at the night sky again. That faint band is no longer just a milky circle. It's the edge-on view of our city, our home. The cosmos is in us. We are made of it. We are a way for the universe to know itself. The story of the Milky Way is our story, and the quest to understand it will continue as long as humanity exists. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button.